Hello viewers, and for you today I have another eBay purchase. This is a Bermuda $3 triangular silver coin. This is a proof coin, a non-circulating coin, and I paid approximately $40.57. So let's open it up and see what we've got. And already I like the fact that they sent it with some real stamps, which I'm going to preserve those since I collect stamps as well. Maybe I can just lift it up. Rather than cutting it. Try not to damage those stamps there. And there we go. Wow, that's really nicely packaged and preserved. Guess they didn't want it to get damaged. Okay. Put the sharp knife away before I hurt myself. Let's see what we've got here. Oh, that's in very nice condition. Okay. Well, the ad said there was some toning or to it, but I really don't see any. It looks absolutely perfect as far as I'm concerned. And this is the reverse of the coin. It is a compass, and then it has a map of Bermuda and capsizing ship. And if we look at the other side, okay, this is the obverse. It has the crowned bust of Queen Elizabeth II facing right. And the lettering says $3 Elizabeth II, 1996. Yes, it's definitely in very nice condition. Now this is an uncirculated coin, and it also is a non-circulating coin. These were never put in circulation to use as money or currency. They're just a commemorative set you can buy. This is 92.5% silver. This is one of the world's only triangular coins, and one of the very few that are circular triangles or Reuleaux triangles. This is from Bermuda, a British overseas territory. It depicts the monarch Queen Elizabeth II. It's from 1996. It's a $3 coin. It is 20 grams in weight and 35 millimeters in diameter. It is a Reuleaux triangle shape. Its KM number is number 92, and at that weight it contains 18.5 grams of silver, which is worth roughly about $20 as far as melt value. It says its diameter is 35 millimeters, and as you can see, I think we have exactly 35 millimeters there. I think we'll take it out of the case and see what it looks like on both sides. This is a very unique kind of case. It actually unscrews to open it up, which is very nice. Get my other glove on there. Oh, it may not come out of there actually. Well, I don't want to force it out of there and accidentally scratch it. Okay, I was able to get it out after all. I see very little damage with this. I don't see anything that's really out of character. Okay, let's see what it weighs. should come in at 20 grams. And look at that, we have exactly 20 grams. So overall, a really nice purchase. When I looked at the value, it's rated at anywhere from $60 to well over $100, depending on which seller you go with. So I think this is a really good investment, being it's mostly silver, and it's only going to increase in value. But I thought I'd show you a triangular coin, one of the very few triangular coins, or a Reuleaux triangle shaped coin. So if you like this video, please take that moment and like and subscribe, and write a comment if you feel like it. Tell me what you think of this coin. And as always, thank you for watching.